Welcome to Best Choice. The best hot water heater is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for any travel trailer owner, ensuring that your adventures aren't cut short by a lack of hot water for showering, washing dishes, or staying comfortable during colder months. And in this video, we're diving deep into what makes a travel trailer hot water heater truly great, helping you find the perfect unit to keep your mobile living experience as comfortable and convenient as possible, no matter where the road takes you. Number 5. Camco RV Water Heater Tank Rinser, 11691. This accessory lifts and flushes out sediment that builds up at the bottom of your water heater. It's compatible with both residential and RV water heaters, helping to extend its lifespan. By cleaning out heat-robbing sediment, it helps prevent tank corrosion and restores your hot water tank's heating efficiency. Enjoy better performance from your water heater. Using it is a breeze. Just attach a standard garden hose and insert it into your water heater's drain valve. It creates a powerful stream to wash sediment away. It features a handy, thumb-operated shutoff valve. This allows you to easily control the water flow while you're cleaning the tank. This 13-inch rinser is made of durable plastic that won't rust or corrode. It's a must-have addition to your RV supplies, perfect for various types of recreational vehicles. What we like. This product is designed to keep your existing water heater running efficiently. It flushes out sediment that can reduce heating performance and cause corrosion. If you're looking to extend the life of your current RV water heater and maintain its optimal function, this is a great choice. What people say. This inexpensive tool lets you flush the bottom of the tank to remove those deposits before they can become a problem. Hooked it up to the hose and worked like a champ. Cleared all the debris from inside of the hot water tank on my travel trailer. Works great. Used it a couple of times and it really cleans the crud out of the HW tank on the motorhome. Number 4. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Experience endless hot water whenever you need it. Our advanced technology ensures consistent temperature, delivering efficiency and reliable performance. Reclaim your space with our compact design. It's 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters and can be mounted on the wall or at the point of use. Save energy and money with our 99% thermal efficiency. It only heats water when you need it, unlike bulky tank heaters. This 13 kilowatt unit is ideal for bathrooms, small sinks, or break rooms. It provides a steady flow rate for your convenience. Our patented self-modulating technology ensures optimal performance. It continuously monitors water temperature and flow rates for precise control. Choose the smart solution for your hot water needs. It delivers consistent, on-demand hot water efficiently and saves valuable space. What we like. This is for those who need continuous hot water without worrying about running out. Its compact size makes it perfect for installations where space is limited, and its energy efficiency means you save on utility costs. If you desire on-demand hot water and a sleek, modern setup, this is the one for you. What people say. It heats up quickly and provides steady hot water for as long as you need. We keep it set at 110 degrees, which makes for very hot shower but not scalding and no problems using other sinks at the same time. It has been about a month since we installed the water heater in our 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath house, and we have forgotten that we are heating water on demand because there is no noticeable difference compared to when we had a 60-gallon tank. Number 3. Camco Aluminum RV Water Heater Anode Rod. This essential part absorbs corrosive elements, protecting your RV water heater tank from rust and damage. It's designed to extend the lifespan of your unit. It safeguards your water heater by drawing in corrosive elements from the water. This sacrificial action prevents damage and extends the life of your tank. This rod is specifically crafted to fit suburban and more flow aluminum RV hot water heaters. It ensures a perfect fit for your vehicle. Made from high-quality aluminum, this rod measures 912 inches in length. It's built for optimal performance and long-lasting durability. Featuring 3 4-inch NPT threads, installation is a breeze. You can easily swap it out with your old anode rod or drain plug for reliable protection. What we like. This is a maintenance item that protects your water heater from the inside out. It sacrifices itself to corrosive elements, preventing rust and damage to your tank. If you want to proactively safeguard your investment and ensure your RV water heater lasts longer, this is an essential component. What people say. This anode rod fit perfectly in our 6-gallon travel trailer water heater. It fits our RV hot water heater and was a great price. Check them about once a year and flush out your tank when you change it. It keeps the tank from rusting. Problem solved immediately upon replacing. This is great. Number 2. Camco RV water heater drain plug and wrench kit. Introducing the Camco RV water heater drain plug and wrench kit. This essential tool makes removing and replacing your RV's water heater drain plugs a breeze. Designed for RV and camper water heaters, it fits both 7/8-inch and 15/16-inch drain plugs. You'll always have the right size for the job. The unique angle design allows the wrench to easily reach tight spots. No more struggling to access those difficult-to-reach drain plugs. The included wrench features prongs designed to help you open and close drain valves and petcock drains effectively. It's built to last. This comprehensive kit includes one wrench, two 1/2-inch NPT replacement plugs, and Teflon tape. Everything you need is right here. Trust Camco for quality solutions that simplify your RV life. Make water heater maintenance simple and efficient with this reliable kit. What we like. This kit is all about making maintenance simple and accessible. It provides the right tools to easily remove and replace your water heater drain plug, even in tight spaces. If you're a DIYer who values convenience and wants to handle basic water heater upkeep yourself, this kit is a must-have. What people say. Works very well. My plug-on hot water heater is in a tight spot and this tool really saved me time and aggravation. Easy to use and durable. Like that, this product makes it easy to remove or tighten the water heater plug on your RV with the wrench designed to work in tight spaces. The plugs replace the original one and comes with the Teflon tape to guarantee a leak-free installation. Great value and durability for this product. The Teflon tape for the threads is a nice touch that helps prevent leaking once the plug is reinstalled in the spring. Number 1. Camco stainless steel water heater cam lock. Broken door latches can be a hassle. Fortunately, replacing them is now quick and easy with this solution. Whether you're installing a new water heater or replacing an old part, these latches are ideal. They fit perfectly for new or replacement installations. Operating these latches couldn't be simpler. The easy turn, thumb-operated style makes them user-friendly for everyone. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these latches are built to last. They won't rust or corrode, ensuring longevity. This pack conveniently includes 2 latches. You'll have a spare or be able to replace both sides with ease. What we like. This product addresses a common, frustrating issue, a broken water heater door latch. It's a simple, durable replacement made from stainless steel that won't rust. If your RV's water heater door latch is damaged or difficult to operate, this 2-pack offers a quick and reliable fix. What people say. Easy to install and way better than original. Fit the RV water heater cover perfectly. Replace the plastic one with stainless steel. Stainless won't rust and the install was simple, so they look good, much better than the old ones, and the stainless was thicker, making it easier to grasp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.